How to add appear animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add an appear animation into your Wix Studio, you can actually apply it into your image, text, as well as button. For this case, let me just choose in here the button and apply it. Now, once you've selected the button, click onto this inspector icon in order to open it, and then go right here into your animation and effects icon. Now, do take note that the appear animation is available into the entrance as well as the scroll animation. So you can choose which one you want to actually add it with. So for this case, I'll add it as a scroll animation. And then from in there, what we can do is we can just scroll down and then look for the appear animation from in here. So it's also called a spade animation because it prompts the actual element to appear. So you can click on that, and once you're done, you can click on the this publish icon in order to successfully add it. That's how to add appear animation video. Hope we help.